Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Thanks for coming to our YouTube channel. Doing a build update for you. Just want to ask you to hit that subscribe button before we get involved in what we're doing here. So appreciate that. So you can kind of see our triple stack fascia. We're getting into some of the finer details of our deck build. So while I was climbing the ladder, I thought I'd at least show you that. The first two layers are Cortex, and then the bottom layer has some face screws in it. They're color matched. So they look pretty nice. Sorry about the sunlight there. Not a bad look. I really like it. So basically the two decks on this side of the house are done. Okay, 3 points of contact, guys. Whenever you're climbing a ladder, 3 points. So the deck's all laid, it's all Cortex. We have a kind of little cool pattern going on over here with our corners. Instead of doing a miter, I like to do overlapping joints and that kind of thing. We did some folded corners as well. Technically they're miters, but they're still joined. We heat up and then we bend the corner in, so there's no seam, so that can't come apart. So all of our curved surface borders are in. I made a mistake on this one board this week. Had to take it out, go make another one, just cut it too short. It happens sometimes. And then was able to get all the fascia details done on the upper deck as well. So the upper and lower, both the fascia details are all done. Everything's good. We just, only thing we have to do before we soffit is check for leaks. So we'll do that soon, but we still have the other side of the deck to do, and we're gonna get to that probably next week sometime. Well, probably pretty quick next week. The only other thing we have to do on these decks to make them complete besides railing and soffit is we need to trim into the house, and we have some AZEK for that, and we're gonna flash that and put AZEK in to keep the weather from, when the weather comes in, to keep it from damaging or getting inside of this area. The bladder goes up the wall up to the top of this, so this will be flashed, have some 1-inch AZEK, Paint Pro is what they call it, and then they can paint it to either match the house or the doors. That'll be that, and then we'll put a bead of, not sure if I'm gonna use black through the roof or if we're gonna go ahead and use Lexel, but it'll be one of the two. Then all that's left here is our soffit. We're just waiting for the electricians to get here to finish up some little electrical. That's okay, we have time. So basically all I'm trying to do right now is get all of the surface of the deck done, all the fascia, the trim and all that, and then our curved glass will be here next week, and we should be able to get some crystal rail pods installed along here, and it'd be awesome to have the glass up and so you guys could see that. So I don't know if that's gonna happen next week, but it might happen the week after, just kind of depends. We're having all the crystal rail pods custom color matched to this deck. There is your weekly build update. I think that's catching you up with everything. If you have any questions, leave them below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. And thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. All right, have a good one. Over and out.